Hi everyone, my name is James Wilson and welcome to my course Deep Dive into Go Functions. I am a software engineer at Pendo building distributed systems that scale. In this course, we are going to take an in-depth look at functions and methods in Go. Functions in Go are a first-class citizen, and like everything in Go, functions are simple to use but offer a lot of flexibility. Some of the major topics that we will cover include functions versus methods, functions as expressions, stateful functions, and then probably most importantly, control flow in functions. By the end of this course, you will know how to leverage functions to build more efficient and idiomatic Go code. Before beginning this course, you should have a basic understanding of Go. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn functions and methods in Go with the Deep Dive into Go Functions course at Pluralsight.